Hello everyone. Welcome back to another video. In this video, I will show you how to delete your Netshort account, dramas, and shows app permanently. Just follow these easy steps. Step 1. Open the Netshort app. First, open the Netshort app on your phone and log in to your account. Step 2. Go to your profile. Look at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on the profile icon. Step 3. Open Settings. Now, you will see the Settings option on your screen. Tap on Settings. Step 4. Tap on Delete Account. In the Settings menu, you will see the option Delete Account. Tap on it. Step 5. Confirm deletion. Now, the app will ask you to agree and confirm the deletion. Tap Agree and Delete Account to complete the process. Done. Your Netshort account has now been permanently deleted. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos.